All right, so if you're here, you want to learn the tornado kick. This is one of my favorite kicks. I'm going to show you. All right, so first thing we want to do is we want to take the stance, okay? Now with the stance, you want to start practicing this spin, body's movement, right? Just like this. Boom. Because you want this leg to come up. Boom. Just like that. Just start practicing this. Then what you can start doing, turning your hips a little bit. Turning your hips like you're doing a hook kick. Spinning hook kick. Boom. Practice that. Bam. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just getting a feel for it right now. You just want to practice the motion. Practice the motion, okay? So we're going to put that all together. Just like that. Just like that. And here, you can add a little jump with it. Put a little jump into it. Boom, boom, here, here. Then what we can do is we can start adding it down. So we come more into here, let the body drop, turn the hips. You can also, this is one of my favorite movements, is I'll throw this, okay? So it's hook kick, round kick, into that. So hook kick, round kick. I'm a little sloppy on it. All right, so let's put it all together. I'm gonna do like a little spin jump on it. Boom, right? Remember, this is all about practice. The only way you're gonna get good at this is by putting these moves to work. Don't do this in a fight. If you are in a fight, I do not want to hear about any of you out there using this move in a fight unless you're super experienced and the person you're fighting has no experience, which you shouldn't be fighting people that don't have no experience and you have experience unless they put you in a corner too. Everything we learn, everything that I was taught was for self-defense, okay? Self-defense, period. Now, as you know, I do movies and I'm training. I will use this in the movies I'm doing, but it's all flashy. It's all flashy, you know? This is actually one of my favorite kicks. I mean, I think it's cool because you can, bam! You know? You do a little, and that momentum's gonna carry over. If you do this first kick, it just gives you that little momentum, you know? It just looks cool, you know? Boom, bam! And just drops that weight down. Boom. All right, so if you enjoyed that video, like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you wanna see me in action, click right here. If you want to watch another video like this, click right here, subscribe, and if you just want to watch some TV or film, click over here. See you on the next video, baby.